video, dark spots, blemishes, hyperpigmentation on the skin, especially on your face and your neck and décolleté. Now today I have a wonderful combination of ingredients that I use to create this awesome, this very effective dark spots remover. So if you're looking to get rid of the hyperpigmentation while doing double duty on your skin by getting rid of the fine lines and wrinkles, this is for you. So continue watching.
So the first ingredient we are going to use is the aloe vera gel. And here I have a fresh piece of aloe vera leaf. And what we're going to do with this, we are going to prepare it by extracting the gel. But before we do so, let's move on to introduce the other ingredient. The second ingredient that I'm going to be using is lemon zest. And here I have a medium lemon. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to wash the lemon and zest it. Now, lemon is known to help to brighten the skin, but there are much more vitamin C in the lemon zest than the lemon juice itself. So today we are going to be using the lemon zest, and lemon zest is going to help to clear those hyperpigmentation while giving your face a dose of vitamin C. Let's move on to the third ingredient, another amazing ingredient for clearing the skin of spots and blemishes, and this is potato, also known as Irish potato in many countries. Now, this potato have an ingredient called catecholase, which is going to help to clear the skin of spots and blemishes, dark spots, old scar, and even acne scars. Our next ingredient is petroleum jelly, which is going to act as a moisturizer that's going to help to lock the remedy in the skin. Now moving on to the next ingredient, which is argan oil. Argan oil is one of the top oil for clearing the skin of hyperpigmentation, but it's not only clear the skin, it also helps to hydrate the skin and leave the skin just moisturized, soft, supple to the touch. So now let's prepare our aloe vera gel. So first I'm going to cut about 2 or 3 ounces of the aloe vera leaf and take a look. This is what it looks like when you cut it in small pieces. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to extract the inner part, which is the aloe vera gel. So I'm taking both of the sides off, then the upper top and the bottom part. And once I do that, I have the inner part, which is the aloe vera gel. And what I'm going to do with the gel, I'm going to blend it. If you do not have a blender, you can also choose to scrape the gel. That is going to be just as good. Now, once this is blended, I'm going to move on to preparing the next ingredient, which is the potato. So what I'm going to do with the potato, I'm going to wash the potato and then I'm going to peel. You can also choose to just wash the potato thoroughly and peel, since the peel contains nutrients that is great for the skin also. So I'm just going to peel off the outer peel. And Irish potato is what we're using. We are not using sweet potato. Always remember, you need the Irish potato. Now, once the potato is peeled, what I'm going to do next, I'm going to grate the potato. If you have a blender and you feel like blending, you could go ahead and blend the potato. Now, potato contain an ingredient called catecholase that when cold will help to speed up the process of eliminating dark spots and blemishes on the skin.
And here is our grated potato, and now we're going to strain. So let's just strain. Straining is pretty easy. Make sure to use clean hands. I'm using 1 medium potato, and that should be enough. Since you do not want to make a lot of these remedy to store, so just squeeze the juice, get all the juice out as much as you can. So now here we have our potato juice, and we're going to put this aside to settle, and we're going to move on to zesting the lemon. We're just going to zest our lemon.
Now let's recap the ingredient. We have our freshly blended aloe vera gel. We also have our freshly grated lemon zest. We have some potato juice, and we also have some argan oil. We're also going to use a little bit of petroleum jelly in this recipe. So now let's put this together. The first thing we're going to do, we are going to separate the potato juice from the potato starch. And if you take a look at what I'm showing you here, once you grate and juice your potato, you put it down to settle. What is going to form at the bottom is the settlement, which is known as the potato starch. And this is what we're going to be using on our skin. So to extract the potato starch, I'm going to slowly pour the juice off the starch, slowly pouring it off like I'm showing here. And once this is done, here at the bottom, we have our fresh potato starch, and this is what we're going to use. So I think I have here about a tablespoon of fresh potato starch, and take a look at it up close. This is what it looks like. And now we're going to add the other ingredients to it. I'm going to add a half of a teaspoon of lemon zest to our 1 tablespoon of potato starch. Pour this in. Next, I'm going to pour 1 teaspoon of our blended fresh aloe vera gel. And then we are going to mix this together. Now we're going to add the oils. I'm going to use about a half a teaspoon of the argan oil. Pour this in. And I'm going to reach for my petroleum jelly. And I'm going to add about a half a teaspoon of petroleum jelly also. And now I'm going to blend this together. Take your time to make sure that the petroleum jelly is blended well in the other ingredient. It's going to take a little while, but just keep blending. You can also choose to melt the petroleum jelly before you add it to the mixture. So mix well. And now our dark spot overnight remover cream is ready to use. So now that our dark spot remedy is ready, what you're going to do, you're going to place this in your refrigerator, and you can keep it in your refrigerator for up to about 7 days or more. Now guys, what is going to happen, this is going to get thick and it's going to thicken like a bomb. That's okay. That's exactly how you want it to be. And what you're going to do, you're going to wash the area thoroughly that you want to apply this remedy to. You can spot treat the area, or you can use it all over your face, your neck, your chin, your elbows, wherever you're looking to get rid of dark spots. So just slowly massage it on the skin in circular motion. What is going to happen is that you're going to notice a little bit of a flake. Not to worry, those are going to blend out, and some of those are from the lemon zest. So you can just choose to brush it off when you are done. So just apply it in circular motion, and once this is done, you are going to leave it on the skin, preferably overnight. Now you're going to use this remedy every night for best result. If you're home, you can also choose to use this in the daytime. This remedy is good for dark spot on the face, pimples, acne scars. It is good for dark neck. It's good for dark elbows. And guys, this is also going to help to clear your skin. So if your skin is looking dull, you can use this on your skin to just freshen it up and brighten it up. You can also choose to use this after you exfoliate your skin for best result. Continue to use it until your dark spot or the dark areas that you're trying to lighten just slowly fade away. So there you have it, guys. Give it a try and use it for a week or two, and then come back and leave a comment. Let us know if this is working for you.